So for now, sit back and relax and enjoy this beautiful evening, and I'll be back to you shortly.
In the latter part of 1852, the peace and tranquility of Howth was shattered by an incident that received wide publicity, the Kirwan murder. It concerned the death of Marie Kirwan on Ireland's Isle.
So guys, the next part of the commentary concerns the nose of Howth. Just beyond the nose of Howth is the rock called Puck's Rock, or Devil's Rock. I'll play it for you now in a moment when we pass. There's a big gash in the rock that you want to keep an eye out for. I'll point it out to you as we pass. And usually when we round the nose of Howth now, we get a good idea of what the sunset's going to be like.
If you are lucky, you may spot a puffin around us. They come to breed between March and September.
The Sunset Cruise is a magnificent cruise which combines both of our cruises and ends off the cruise with the sun going down on the horizon to the west.
The imposing Martello Tower on the island's northwest corner. Many Martello towers were built in the early 1800s in strategic coastal locations throughout Ireland to defend against an expected invasion by Napoleon, which ultimately never came.
So guys, I'm going to bring you in as close as I can. Right underneath the Martello Tower we have a seal.
Book online at howthcliffcruises.ie or islandferries.net. You can click on the Cliff Cruise or the Ireland's Eye Tour. The Ireland's Eye Tour runs daily every 45 minutes. We can actually land you on the island, and then in the evening time we have the evening cruises to the cliff.